Welcome to another ROBOTILL training video. In this video, we'll walk through the process of installing ROBOTILL on your main computer or on a single computer setup. We'll also show you how to install ROBOTILL on additional computers that connect to your main computer. We'll start with your main computer. This computer will act as your server. Follow these steps if this is the only computer you're using, or if this is the first computer you're installing ROBOTILL on. Open your internet browser and go to robotill.com. For this example, I will use Chrome, but I will use the Microsoft Edge browser for the next one. Click on Download, and then click on the ROBOTILL setup file link. The downloaded setup file will appear in the top right corner of the browser. Click on the file. The UAC security prompt will appear, confirming that ROBOTILL is a verified publisher. Click on Yes. And the Install app, click Next, and then I agree to install the ROBOTILL apps. Click Finish when the installation is complete. You can keep the option checked to open ROBOTILL. In some browsers, like Chrome, the app may open behind the browser, so you can simply close or minimize it. All the ROBOTILL apps are now installed, and the ROBOTILL Backoffice app has opened. The app now needs to connect to the database. It will automatically start the ROBOTILL database setup wizard, which can either install SQL Server and create the database, or connect to an existing server. Click Start Setup. It gives us two options. Select the first option if this is your only computer or your main computer. Choose the second option if you have already installed your main computer and are now setting up an additional computer to connect to it. We'll cover this option later in the video. For now, select Main Computer. It now gives us three options. We'll cover the other two options in separate videos. For now, choose the recommended option, which lets ROBOTILL download and install SQL Server for you. The ROBOTILL database setup wizard will download Microsoft SQL Server 2022 for us. If you need to install on a computer without an internet connection, we'll upload a separate video explaining how to do an offline installation. SQL Server only needs to be downloaded and installed on your main computer, which acts as your server. The database setup app will not perform these steps on additional computers. After the download is complete, the database setup app will automatically begin installing SQL Server. This can take several minutes, depending on your computer. During this process, it will also create the database and perform several other tasks. To keep this video as short as possible, we've cut out the section where you simply need to wait. This is a good time to grab a cup of coffee. Once it completed the installation and setup of SQL Server, it will display your default credentials you can use to log into the ROBOTILL apps. You can change these later. You can click on Start with ROBOTILL Backoffice so that it will open the Backoffice app for us, or you can simply click on Finish and then use the shortcuts on your desktop to open any ROBOTILL app you want. That's it. The complex task of installing SQL Server with the correct configuration is now complete. ROBOTILL made this easy for us. If you'll only be using one computer, you can stop the video here. We'll now look at how to install additional computers. Your server computer can be a till or a back-office computer, and additional computers can also be tills or back-office computers. You can install as many additional computers as you like. We've already covered how to install the server in the first part of this video, so now we'll look at how to install a secondary PC that connects to the server. Follow these steps on an additional PC. Open your internet browser. This time, I will use Microsoft Edge. Go to robotill.com and click on Download. Click on the link to download the ROBOTILL install file. In the top right corner of your browser, click Open File. The UAC security dialog will appear again, confirming that ROBOTILL is a verified publisher. Click Yes. Click Next, and then I agree. Click Finish. The Backoffice app will open, but will inform you that it does not know where the database is, so it will start the database setup wizard. In the database setup wizard, click on Start Setup. We have already installed the server on another PC, so now we will choose the option for an additional PC. You need to enter the device name for your main computer, not this computer. To find the device name on your server, type "About your PC" in the Windows search bar. For ROBOTILL to work with multiple computers, all computers must be connected to the same network. This is usually a local network, such as a wired network or Wi-Fi. We also need to make sure that the network on all computers using ROBOTILL is set to private. If it is set to public, just change it to private and remember to check your server PC as well. When you are sure that both computers are connected to the same network and you have entered the name of your main computer, click on Next. The wizard will now connect this PC to your server. That's it. If you do see an error message, you can email the error log to ROBOTILL support. We'll also upload a separate video showing how to troubleshoot connection issues. The ROBOTILL database setup wizard makes installing and configuring ROBOTILL easy. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more training videos.